The first step is to open Canva and click Discover Translate. If this window appears, simply click Try it out. With a text box selected that you want to translate, you can default to automatically detect under Translate From, or use the drop-down arrow to choose the language. Click the drop-down arrow under Translate to select an option. Scroll, and select the language you want to translate to. In this example, click English. Click Select an option under Apply to Page. If you have more than one page in your design, click to choose the pages to translate. Click Translate. Your text has been translated, and you get a confirmation note, too. Note that Canva provides 500 monthly translations in about 100 different languages. That's it. You're done.